Hello, welcome to the episode 6 of this series. You've got the niche, you've got the content ideas, you've got the monetization strategy, but how do you actually put it all together and execute flawlessly? This explainer reveals the exact step by step launch battle plan generated by YMSG, that is YouTube Monetization Strategy Generator, to help you build and monetize your YouTube empire in just 71 days. Stick around. Here is the agenda for our launch battle plan. We will cover foundation and setup, content engine ignition, monetization, scaling, and the faceless approach. Let's get started. Section 1, the launch battle plan. From strategy to tangible results. Strategy without execution is just dreaming. You can have the best plan in the world, but if you don't act on it, nothing changes. That is why your launch battle plan it's the bridge between knowing what to do and actually doing it effectively. Remember the goal. Monetize YouTube channel within 71 days, even if you are camera shy. This plan is designed to make that happen systematically. The component of your YMSG launch battle plan. Your YMSG tool generates 17 unique outputs, but your battle plan synthesizes these into a coherent, actionable sequence. Here's what it looks like. Phase 1, foundation and setup. Days 1 to 15. Finalize niche and target audience. Confirm your YMSG vetted niche and audience profile covered in our previous series. Channel branding. Create your channel name, logo, banner art, and description. Ensure it clearly communicates your niche and value proposition. Faceless channels often use strong graphic branding, content pillar definition. Lock in your 3 to 5 content pillars, also covered in our previous series. Initial keyword research. Identify core keywords for your first batch of videos. Technical setup. Optimize your channel settings, verification, and any necessary software or equipment. This phase is about setting up your command center. Get your branding right because it's the first impression viewers and the algorithm get. Phase 2, content engine ignition. Day 16 to 35, content ideation sprint. Generate video ideas using the algorithm alchemy framework. Map them to your pillars, scripting and storyboarding. Write scripts for your first 4 to 6 videos. Focus on hooks, value delivery, and clear calls to action within each video. Filming and recording. Create the content. For faceless channels, this means voiceovers, screen recordings, animations, etc. Editing and optimization. Edit your videos, add engaging visuals or music, and optimize titles, description, tags, and thumbnails. Initial upload schedule. Decide on a consistent upload schedule like 1 to 2 videos per week and stick to it. Aim to generate 20 to 30 ideas using the algorithm alchemy framework and map them to your pillars. Consistency is king on YouTube. The algorithm rewards channels that upload regularly. Don't aim for perfection, aim for consistent progress. Phase 3, monetization, integration, and growth. Days 36 to 55. Implement foundational monetization. Add relevant affiliate links to your video descriptions and pin comments. Start building an email list if applicable. Audience engagement. Respond to comments, foster community, and analyze audience feedback. Performance analysis. Review YouTube analytics. What's working? What's not working? Double down on successful video topics and formats. Develop first monetization offer if applicable. Start outlining or creating your first digital product or service based on YMSG recommendations from our previous series. YPP, that is YouTube Partner Program application. If you meet the requirements, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Analytics are your best friend. Don't just upload and forget. See what resonates and do more of that. Phase 4, scaling and optimization, days 56 to 71. Launch monetization offer. Release your digital product, course, or service. Promote it strategically across your videos and descriptions. Explore advanced monetization. Investigate potential sponsorship or CPA offers based on your channel's growth and audience. Content diversification. Experiment with different video formats or subtopics within your niche based on analytics. Community building. Focus on building a loyal community through consistent value and interaction. Review and refine. Analyze your 71-day progress. What were the biggest wins? What needs adjustments for the next phase? YMSG battle plan outputs. 71-day timeline. A day-to-day or week-by-week breakdown of key tasks. Task checklists. Specific actions to complete for each phase. Key performance indicators or KPIs. What metrics to track like views, watch time, subscriber growth, click-through rates, conversion rates, and income. Contingency planning. Basic strategies for dealing with common challenges such as low views on a video or algorithm changes. Section 6. The faceless approach. Execute without being on camera. Your battle plan emphasizes leveraging tools and techniques that do not require being on camera. Strong scripting, high quality voiceovers, clear, engaging audio is crucial. Compelling visuals. Use graphics, animations, and stock footage effectively. Strategic CTAs, that's call to action, guide viewers clearly on what to do next, like watching another video, checking a link, or subscribing. Your words are your face. This structured plan transforms the abstract goal of monetizing your channel into a concrete, achievable project. It provides clarity, reduces overwhelming, and keeps you focused on the actions that drive results. The 71-day time frame creates urgency and momentum. You've now covered the entire YMSG system from niche to execution. But to truly prove this works, especially without being on camera, we need to look at a real world example. In our final episode, I'll walk you through a case study of a faceless channel that achieved massive success using this exact 71-day strategy. You won't want to miss it. Are you ready to execute your launch battle plan? Start building your plan today. And Make sure you are subscribed for our final series or episode. From camera side to cash flow, my proven 71-day faceless YouTube monetization system. Let's finish strong. And that is your custom launch battle plan. We've synthesized the entire YMSG system into an actionable 71-day roadmap. Strategy is nothing without execution. And now you have the blueprint. In our grand finale series or episode, we are diving into real world case study that proves you can achieve incredible success even as a faceless creator. Don't miss it. The only question left is, what will your 71-day empire look like? Stay